The novel coronavirus pandemic is still accelerating and its effects will be felt for decades. The World Health Organization Director General has said this is after WHO reported a record increase in global coronavirus cases as the total rose by 183,020 in a 24-hour period.
Worldwide, at least 8.9 million people have been confirmed to have the coronavirus. Of those, at least 4.4 million have recovered, while more than 467,000 people have died, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. This as the World Health Organization reported a record increase in global coronavirus cases, as the total rose by 183,020 in a 24-hour period. The biggest increase was from the Americas with more than 116,000 new cases. Brazil has become the second country after the United States of America to register more than 50,000 deaths from COVID-19. Two health ministers who are both doctors have left their posts as deaths and infections have surged. Brazil's health ministry announced that 641 more deaths had been registered in the past 24 hours, taking the total to 50,617. Over the same period, it also registered more than 17,000 new infections. Only the United States has favored worse overall, with 2.2 million cases and nearly 120,000 deaths. Elsewhere, health officials in South Korea believe the country is going through a second wave of coronavirus, despite recording relatively low numbers. The country had been a success story in dealing with COVID-19, but now the pandemic is expected to continue for months. Head of the Korea Centers for Disease Control KCDC, Jung Eun-kyung, said the first wave lasted up until April. He says since May, clusters of new cases have grown, including outbreaks at nightclubs in the capital, Seoul. Officials on Monday say that over the last 24 hours, 17 new infections had been recorded from different clusters in large offices and warehouses. And the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies is opening 2 new field hospitals in Cox's Bazar in Bangladesh to support what it calls an alarming and growing number of coronavirus cases. There is huge concern about possible outbreaks in the area's refugee camps, which are filled with nearly 1 million Rohingya Muslims. The country has seen a total of 1,502 fatalities and 115,786 registered cases. Finally, Germany and France both agree that the European Recovery Fund should pay out its proposed 500 billion euros of coronavirus aid from 2020 until 2022, not until 2024 as suggested by some member states. France is reopening cinemas, swimming pools and holiday centers. All children up to 15 years are back to school. Reporting for Channel 1 News, I'm Timothy Kipnusu.